Hello YouTube family, welcome back. We provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 8 raised to power x minus 2. This is equal to 18. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Okay, now solution from here, we have that 8 raised to power x minus 2. This is in the form of a raised to power n minus m. Okay, so of which you can express in the form of a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's convert it in this form so that you're going to have 8 raised to power x divided by 8 squared. This is equal to 18. Okay, but 18 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 9. Okay, so that you're going to have 8 raised to power x. This is equal to 18 multiplied by 8 squared. Okay, of which you can express as 2 times 9 times 8 squared. Okay, now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we're going to have log 8 raised to power x. This is equal to log, into the bracket we have 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 raised to power 2. Okay, now from here, if you check the right hand side, that is log 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 squared. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we're going to have 8 raised to power, that's log 8 raised to power x. This is equal to log 2 plus log 9 plus log 8 raised to power 2. Okay, now from here we apply the logarithm power rule that states that if you have log m raised to power c, this can be expressed as c log m. Okay, so let's apply this property so that we're going to have x log 8 x log 8. This is equal to log 2 plus log 9 plus, applying the power rule, applying this identity, you're going to have 2 log 8. Okay, so we divide both sides by log 8, divide here by log 8, and also here divide by log 8. Okay, so if you simplify this, x is equal to log 2 divided by log 8 plus log, this is 9 divided by log 8 plus, if you simplify logs, you're going to have plus 2. Okay, so now this is the, we can also simplify further this value of x. Let's simplify further as far. Now from what we have here, we can write 8 as 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so let's substitute here log 8 so that we're going to have x is equal to log 2 divided by log 2 raised to power 3. Okay, plus log 9 divided by, that is log 2 raised to power 3 plus 2. Okay, plus these 2. Now from this case, applying the power rule, which states that if you have log m raised to power c, this can be expressed as c log m. Let's apply this property again. So from here, you're going to have x is equal to log 2 divided by 3 log 2. Okay, plus log 9 divided by 3 log 2 plus 2. Now let's simplify this. If you simplify here, you're going to have x is equal to a third, okay, plus this is a third log 9 divided log 2 plus 2. Now that means that x is equal to, now we combine a third plus 2, that is a third plus 2, this is 2 over 1, LCM is equal to 3, 3 divided by 3, so x is equal to 7 over 3 plus a third log 9 divided by log 2. Okay, so you can see that log 9 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log A divided by log B, which you can write as log A to base B. Okay, so let's transform this log 9 divided by log 2 in this form. Okay, so x is equal to 7 over 3 plus a third log 9 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Okay, so let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay, now as you can recall, okay, as we recall, we had that 8 raised to power x subtract 2, this is supposed to be equal to, is supposed to give us a value of 18. Okay, so let's see if this is true. So let's substitute the value of x. We're going to have 8 raised to power 7 over 3, okay, plus a third log 9 to base 2, subtract 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 18. Okay, now if you say 7 over 3 subtract 2, okay, 7 over 3 subtract 2, we can just write this as 8, okay, raised to power, and that is common, so you're going to have 7 plus log 9 to base 2 subtract 2, this is supposed to give us 18. Okay, okay, so which is the same, if you say 7 over 3 subtract 2, you're going to have, this is 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 7, this is 7, subtract 3 divided by 1, okay, that is 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, so this is equal to a third. Now let's substitute this. You're going to have 8, okay, this is 8 raised to power, this is like a third plus a third log 9 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 18. Okay, now from here we have that 8, a third is common, let's factor out a third, so that we're going to have, this is 1 plus log 9 to base 2, this is supposed to give us 18. Okay, I hope you're following. If it's your first time to watch these videos in this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Now let's move on. Now 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3. Let's substitute this back to our equation. We're going to have 2 raised to power 3, okay, multiplied by a third into the bracket 1 plus log 9 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 18. Okay, now if you simplify this, we are going to have 2 raised to power 1 plus log 9 to base 2, this is equal to 18. Okay, as you can see, 2 raised to power 1 plus log 9 to base 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. So let's write it in this form. You're going to have 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 9 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 18. Okay, now from here we have that 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 9 to base 2, this is equal to 18. Now as you can see, 2 raised to power log 9 to base 2, this is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, this is supposed to give us a value of a, okay? So that means if you have 2 raised to power log 9 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 9, okay? I hope you can see that. Now, if you plug 9 back to equation, we're going to have 2 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 18. So if you say 2 times 9, this is 18. And it's true that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, which is 7/3 plus a third log 9 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.